Hello everyone, I'm Morgan from Mirror Edge Networks, based down here in Cape Town, South Africa. And we have been a Control4 dealer for several years, and I felt like it was the right time to introduce my audience to what do we do in terms of Control4 home automation. Control4 is a company that's been around for several decades now, based out of the United States, and they manufacture smart home automation products. These are products which are tried and tested by an incredible team of engineers, and they provide lots of support to us to be able to design, implement, and support reliable smart home solutions. What I'm going to do now is do a quick walkthrough video of the Control4 demonstration showroom here in Cape Town, which highlights some unique scenarios in terms of home automation. And I hope that this provides a bit of insight as to what it is that we're trying to achieve with home automation. Home automation can do many things. It can also do a few things. It just depends on the appetite for the homeowner in terms of what they're trying to achieve. We see home automation as being a huge value to improving our lives by making it easier to be able to control our homes. Of course, this could be as basic as just lighting scenes. As you enter the house, the lights will turn on. Automated music, maybe opening and closing blinds or curtains as required, turning on and off air conditioning or HVAC systems, and obviously integrating things like the alarm system. So follow me into the showroom and I will start to describe the different parts of the home automation process as we go. I've now entered into the showroom and the alarm system is giving us a notification that the alarm system is going off. And what I'm able to do is turn off the alarm. And once I've turned off the alarm, the house has an entry scene. So the lights that are next to me in the dining room area have turned on. The air conditioning system has just turned on. And we are now able to enter and use the room. What has happened now that the lights have all switched on is that the music has faded up and there's some background music. This would be basically describing that as I've entered the house, I've deactivated the alarm, and once the alarm system has been successfully deactivated, an entry scene has been activated. So that includes, as I said, turning on the lights, the curtains on the outdoor patio scene area have opened, the music system has now brought up some entry music, and as I said, I can feel the air conditioning system is pushing the air out to this area. Now that we've entered the house, this may be early evening, and we are ready to move over to the dining room, we can activate a dining room scene. So if you follow me over to the dining room, what we have in the dining room area is a Control4 keypad, which has various different scenes that are highlighted on it. What the team here have done is obviously highlighted them with different light LEDs on the buttons as well, so we can easily identify which ones we're looking at. What I'm going to do is activate the dinner scene, and that is simply done by pressing the button at the bottom of the keypad. And once that's done, the lighting scene changes in the dining room. So that includes the cove lighting above has changed from a cool white to a warm white. The chandelier has brightened up. A lighting scene is playing in the living room, and that lighting scene is flickering the lighting so that the people that are in the room are aware that there's something happening. So maybe the kids are downstairs in the living room, the lights have flashed, and an audible notice has said dinner is ready, and that will be able to send the kids up so that they can know that it's ready for dinner. What's also happened is that there are some plaster in-ceiling speakers that are above the dining room, and those speakers have started to play some music. So we have a really nice dining room scene that's now been activated. Similarly to the dining room, we have a keypad over here, and as I activate the scene for outdoor patio, the curtains that move to the patio have now opened, and the lighting for the outdoor patio area has switched on, and the outdoor speakers have now switched on as well. So if we can imagine we've finished with after dinner drinks or whatever it might be that's happening out on the patio, and we are ready to move inside, we're able to activate the indoor scene for the lounge area. What's happened is, as I've switched that scene on, the curtains have closed for the patio, the lights for the outdoor area have switched off, and the music has shifted from being the outdoor speakers to being the front speakers in the living room. The fireplace in the living room is also switched on, as this is maybe a relaxed evening scene for a winter scenario. Next, what I've done is I've picked up a Control4 touch panel, and I'm able to very easily control the volume from the touch panel, but I'm also able to go into the living room area and choose a scene which is, for us to be able to watch TV. As I've turned on the TV, the lights have obviously dimmed down and the TV has switched on. Maybe what we would like to do is watch a movie. This room is set up, which includes having a motorized projection screen and a motorized drop-down projector. And as we activate a movie scene, it triggers those to open, and we've got the big screen type viewing environment switching on. And of course, what we're able to do is from the touch panel, we're able to switch to any of our video sources. That might be DSTV, Apple TV, a Zudu media player, Kaleidoscope, anything similar to that, or simply switch to any of the movie channels. So if we hit 102, or rather 101, we've got Mnet switching on. Of course, once we have finished, we can hit the power button and we can turn off the room, and that will close up the projector and projector lift, and we can then go back to the touch panel and choose any of the lighting scenes that we'd like for the room. And that's a short video introduction as to how home automation can be a part of our lives for controlling the technology that we have. Be it from entry scenes where the lights can automatically turn on, air conditioning can switch on, music can turn on, etc., through to activating a dining room scene where the music shifts to the dining room area. We have the lights change from cool white to warm white so we can better see our dinner. Moving from that into the outdoor area to be able to maybe experience some after dinner drinks, etc. And then obviously finally wrapping up in the living room, either to watch some TV or to use the projection-based solution for a bit of a movie watching scenario. And then simply either control from keypads, which can be located throughout the house, or from a touch panel, or even from a handheld remote control. Of course, these are all discussions that take place during the design phase of any project, and obviously it's very easy to do these sorts of design discussions when a new house is being built, but we've had incredible success with doing retrofit solutions in existing houses, and we'd obviously be happy to discuss those with you. So if you have a project which you'd like to achieve similar sorts of results with, it'd be a pleasure if you got in contact with us and we can work through that with you.